Hi folks, I'm Dr. Jaime Gonzalez, a chiropractor at Family Care Chiropractic in Louisville, Kentucky. We have Tiffany with us today. This is her 6th visit in the office. She hasn't been in about 3 or 4 weeks, but she comes in today with a new complaint of neck pain and upper back pain, difficulty turning her head. She rates the pain as a 7 out of 10 when she turns her head. I've already assessed her. We found the misalignments or subluxations in her neck and upper back. She has some stiffness and mild low back pain, so we're going to address that today also. When we're done, we'll put some ice, electrical muscle stimulation, and intersegmental traction. The ice will help with some pain relief. The electrical muscle stimulation will help with pain and muscle spasm. And the intersegmental traction, the rollers, will help with joint mobility throughout the rest of her spine. Tiffany, go ahead and lay face down, please. All right, Tiffany, go ahead and take a big breath in, please. Blow it all the way out. Here we go. Another big breath in, please, and blow it all the way out. Excellent. Lay on your right side, please, and face me over here. Straighten that one. Let me have your right hand. Give me your shoulder, left hand here. All right, this will help with her low back pain here. Take a big breath in, blow it all the way out. Let it go. Good. And onto your back, please. Uncross your legs. Relax your shoulders, drop everything down, relax. Here we go. Good. And again, relax, drop your shoulders. Come on and sit up and turn to your left. Turn this way. How's that feel for you?
Oh, wow. It does. It feels a lot better than it did.
And if you had to rate it now, after your adjustment from 0 to 10?
Probably a 2.
A 2. So a 2 out of 10. We got a lot of improvement. We're going to continue with ice, electrical muscle stimulation, and the intersegmental traction table. As with any of our videos, please like and share them on your Facebook, tag your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and Instagram. We look forward to seeing you at Family Care Chiropractic. Our telephone number is 502-937-7995. Thank you.